Dear students, in this session, we can discuss what is the definition of diopter. So the question is define one diopter. What is one diopter? We studied diopter is the standard unit of power of the lens. Standard unit of power is diopter. And we studied the formula to calculate power. It is P is equal to 1 divided by F. So here what is F? F is the focal length. And we studied what is the standard unit of power. It is diopter, capital D. Diopter means it is one diopter. 1 into D, D. So D can be represented by 1D, 1 diopter. And what is the standard unit of focal length? It is 1 meter. So meter, 1 meter. 1 meter means it is meter. Standard unit of focal length is meter. Now we can substitute these values here. Instead of power, we can substitute 1 diopter is equal to 1 divided by what is F? It is 1 meter. Now we can take M2 upper side. Okay, so 1D is equal to 1 meter raised to minus 1. That is, suppose you have a value 1 by x. So 1 by x means the power of x is plus 1. If you take this value to this side, upper side, x plus 1 become minus 1. That is x raised to minus 1. Similarly, here 1 by 1 meter is there. If you take 1 meter to numerator, this is equal to 1 meter raised to minus 1. So 1 diopter equal to 1 meter raised to minus 1. That is 1 diopter is defined as the, what is 1 diopter? 1 diopter is the power of a lens, power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter, whose focal length is 1 meter. So what is the power of lens? Sorry, what is diopter? 1 diopter. 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. That is, consider a lens. If it is convex lens or concave lens, whatever it is. So this is a convex lens. And suppose this is the optical center and this is the principal focus. Suppose this length is called focal length. So this focal length is equal to 1 meter. Then what about the power of this lens? It is 1 diopter. Okay, so if the focal length is 1 meter, then what about the power of the lens? It is 1 diopter. So what is the definition of 1 diopter? 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Clear? Okay.